Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about talking with a teacher.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Miss Sophia.
Good morning, Ethan. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am doing very well. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.
That's great. What did you do?
I stayed at home and watched movies.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I also read an English book.
Wonderful. What book did you read?
It was a short story book for English learners.
Very good. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. It was easy to understand.
I am happy to hear that.
Miss Sophia, can I ask you a question?
Of course. Please go ahead.
I want to improve my English.
That is a very good question.
I want to speak English better.
The first thing is practice.
Practice every day?
Yes, even 15 minutes every day can help.
What should I practice?
You should practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English.
That is completely normal.
Really?
Yes, many students feel nervous at first.
What should I do?
Start with simple sentences.
Like what?
For example, I am hungry. I like coffee. I am going to school.
Those sentences are easy.
Exactly. Simple sentences build confidence.
I think I understand.
Good.
Do I need to learn many words every day?
No, start with a few words.
How many?
5 new words every day is enough.
Only 5?
Yes, small steps are very powerful.
That sounds easier.
Learning English is like climbing a mountain.
A mountain?
Yes, you go one step at a time.
I like that example.
I'm glad.
Sometimes I forget new words.
That happens to everyone.
What can I do?
Use the new words in sentences.
Can you give me an example?
Of course.
Thank you.
Let's learn the word library.
Okay.
You can say, I study in the library.
I study in the library.
Excellent.
Let's try another word.
Good idea.
How about the word breakfast?
You can say, I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Very good.
Miss Sophia, I also want to improve my pronunciation.
Pronunciation is important.
Sometimes I cannot say words correctly.
That is okay.
What should I do?
Listen carefully and repeat.
Listen and repeat?
Yes, that is one of the best ways to improve.
Can we practice?
Of course.
Great.
Repeat after me. Teacher.
Teacher.
Very good. Student.
Student.
Excellent. Conversation.
Conversation.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
You are doing very well.
Really?
Yes, I can see that you are trying.
That makes me happy.
Good. Always believe in yourself.
I will try.
That's the spirit.
Miss Sophia, do you enjoy teaching English?
Yes, I do.
Why do you enjoy it?
I love helping students learn and grow.
That is very kind.
Thank you.
I think teachers work very hard.
Sometimes we do, but we also enjoy our work.
That's nice.
Yes, seeing students improve makes us happy.
I want to improve too.
And you will improve.
Thank you for encouraging me.
You're welcome.
Listeners, do you have a favorite teacher?
Please write your answer in the comments.
And tell us why that teacher is special.
We would love to read your answers.
I am learning many useful things today.
I am happy to hear that.
Thank you for talking with me.
It is my pleasure.
I still have more questions.
Wonderful. Let's continue our conversation in part 2.
See you in part 2.
See you soon.